I'm Erin Ross of What Would the Neighbors Think, and I'm going to give you the top 3 questions that Hollywood stylists ask before we buy anything for ourselves or our clients. The first and most important question a Hollywood stylist asks herself is, does it represent my signature style? You may have heard this phrase before. It gets thrown around a lot, but it plays the most critical role in building a wardrobe that consistently flatters and represents the real you. It's the main focus of a professional stylist for both themselves and their clients. So what is signature style? It's a combination of the clothes you like that look good on you, give you confidence, and make you shine. Professional stylists prioritize proportion. It's crucial because no matter your shape, creating the illusion of symmetrical proportion is what stylists look to achieve. For instance, there are clothes that especially flatter women who are fuller on top, and other clothes that better flatter women who are fuller on the bottom. Size doesn't matter, especially when you understand which key pieces can visually alter your specific shape to create the balanced figure you want. Do you know the real role color plays in your signature style? Eva Longoria looks beautiful in just about anything, but you can see here that she's much more vivacious and bold color than she is in the faint, neutral tones that are washing her out. You need to find the colors that make you radiate. Learning which clothes highlight your best assets and which colors work best with your skin tone will fill your closet with the things you'll wear again and again. Discovering your signature style helps you create a wardrobe that fits your current lifestyle, meaning clothes you wear for what you do now. As obvious as this sounds, most wardrobes I've seen don't fulfill this basic need. I also see a lot of mistakes when it comes to dressing your age, but they may not be what you think. I teach you all about these things and so much more in my masterclass, How to Discover Your Signature Style and Gain the Confidence to Wear It. Discovering your signature style is the pivotal first step in becoming your own personal stylist. Without truly understanding it, you'll have doubt and uncertainty in how you dress and will continue to waste money on mistakes. The second question a Hollywood stylist asks herself before buying anything is it different enough from things I already own? Each item in your wardrobe has a job. You wouldn't want to waste money duplicating an item that already has its job covered. Taking the time to correctly edit your closet will help you determine which items you already own do their jobs really well. It's what professional stylists and personal shoppers do first when working with a new client because it creates the roadmap to knowing which clothes work, what doesn't, and what you still need. Editing your closet like a professional stylist makes it easier to let go of that piece you spent so much money on but now realize was a mistake, or that one item you loved but unfortunately no longer fits, but you're determined to keep it just in case someday you're that size again. Correctly editing your wardrobe is an opportunity to maximize it. Believe me, editing your closet correctly is the difference between a closet full of clothes and a closet full of outfits. Now, the third question that Hollywood stylists ask themselves before they buy anything is, how many outfits can I create with it? This is the way to a closet full of outfits. Shopping skillfully, just like a professional stylist or personal shopper, means thinking in terms of outfits to build a wardrobe that works together. That means shopping with knowledge and strategy. That includes recognizing quality, knowing when to invest, and how to get the look for less. It also means learning how to create the right outfits for every occasion, from business casual to beach weddings. You'll get the most out of your purchases if they easily blend into much of what you already own. I've given you the top 3 questions that Hollywood stylists ask themselves before they buy anything for themselves or their clients. But to be able to answer those questions, you need to know your signature style, have a correctly edited closet, and possess the knowledge and skills to shop like a stylist. Follow my roadmap and I'll teach you all of this and more, because every woman deserves to feel the empowering confidence that comes with a skillfully styled wardrobe. You won't feel overwhelmed when you walk into your closet or walk into a store or shop online. Knowing what works and what doesn't will be easy to see. You'll stop wasting money on the wrong clothes, and what you choose to wear will consistently flatter and reflect the real you. Your first essential step is to discover your signature style. It's your foundation. Editing your closet like a pro and shopping like a stylist depend on it. Using my courses, you really can learn to be your own personal stylist. Click the button beneath this video to learn more and get started with me. See you soon.